Hi friends, welcome to our live stream channel. This is Ariel, sales manager from Qingdao TNT Homewares, and I'm so glad to meet you here again at the online cotton fair this year. As we know, we have been a very difficult time these 2 years, not only for our business but also to our lives. But I believe we will cross over. And so first, please allow me to thank you all for your patience, understanding, and support during these difficult times. And we will do our best to provide professional and excellent business support to all of our customers. Thank you. Okay, let's start our today's show. Today I brought a collection of Willow products here for you, including Willow hampers, Willow basket, and Willow storage box. Okay, let's go through one by one. First, for you, 3 sides. 1 set of 4 and 2 set of 3. Okay, let's check it one by one. First, this set of 3. This set is with handles. The large one, we have a medium one and a small one. All the Willow baskets have removable liners. You can see the pattern is the new design, the pea stove. Beautiful tassels and bow tie and firm handles. Okay, let's check the size. The large one is 42, 30, and the height 26. And for the medium one, 35, 24, and 21. Okay. The small one, 27, 18, and the height 16. You can buy it as a set or individual. We can also provide different sizes for you according to your requirements. You know, Willow is very popular in many European countries, such as UK. They like natural materials very much, such as willow or seagrass or water hyacinth.